Welcome in Tiluk. Today I would like to show you how we can add to our project artificial lights. We are working in our function tab Place Objects. You know that on the top side of the screen we have the 7 function tabs, the most important tabs of our software. We are working on the tabs Place Objects. Through this tab we can import any 3D objects and also artificial lights. Let's see how to do it. We click on the yellow button Add Model. We can load our 3D items, 3D objects from our Tiluk libraries, or copy from Tiluk projects, or load from 3D Warehouse, SketchUp, Trimble library. When I click on Load from Tiluk, I open the Tiluk library with more than 37,000 3D objects available. Let's select an artificial light. It means a lamp. We need to import to add to our project a lamp. We click on this filter, Categories. We open a menu and we select Lightings, Illumination. We select Illumination and automatically we get more than 1,100 lamps, artificial lights. These are objects that can emit lights. These are lamps, okay? We can select the one we prefer, let's for example this one, and directly add and import to our project. Let's see. This is the lamp we have selected. Now we can import, we can drop the lamp into our project and then position it where we prefer. Okay. Now it's important to move to our function tab Render. Here we can see our lamps. You see, this is the lamp we have just imported. This is another lamp I have pre-downloaded into my project. As I told you, these objects, these 3D objects, are lamps. It means they can emit light. It's a light source. We can easily see when we have a light source. When we click on the lamp, we open the icon here on the right side. This is the icon preview of my material. We are in the tab Materials, you see. When I click on the lamp, I open the icon, the preview of the icon of this specific material, and it shows me that is a lamp. There is a little bulb here. This means that this is an emissive object. It emits light. When I do the rendering, when I process the rendering, this will be a light source. It will be a lamp. I can in any moment switch on and switch off this lamp, or change the lighting power, the intensity of the light. It's very easy. We can edit the lighting color and intensity of my lamp to find the right and correct effect on my final rendering. In order to edit, to modify the lamp effect, I only have to double click on the icon or click on this button Edit Material. It's the same. We click on it and we open this menu. We select the menu Emission. You see, Emission. This shows me that the emission, that the lamp is enabled. When there is this sign on Enable, it means that this specific object is a lamp. It can emit light. When I disable this function, then automatically I switch off the lamp and it becomes a standard material. It will not more emit any light. Let's see. We click apply, and when we click on the material, the little bulb has disappeared. It means it's no more a lamp, it's just a color. When I produce the rendering, it will not emit any light. It's just a color. When I double click on it and go back on emission, I enable the switch. I switch on the lamp, apply, and you see the bulb has appeared. It means this specific object will emit light. It's a light source. Let's go back to our function to edit emission. We can modify the intensity of the lighting. It's expressed in lumens. Lumens is the unit for the intensity of light. I can modify, I can change this intensity in order to have more or less light in my pictures, in my final rendering. Moreover, I can modify the color of the lamp. Now it's a very cold color, it's a white lamp, but I can modify it and make it warmer. For example, by clicking on these arrows here, I can move on the yellow color and select a yellow color. In this way, I will color my light and make it warmer. I click apply, and this color will be then applied on the final rendering. I will get a warmer light. Okay, I show you just two effects of two renderings by using artificial lights. You know that you can modify and have a different effect on your rendering by working on the external light, that means the light of the ambience of my room, or by working on artificial lights when you want to do a night rendering or evening rendering without natural light but only emphasizing the artificial lights. Let's see two examples. This is a bathroom made with just artificial light. I've done two different intensity. This is less intense, this is more intense. You see? I've just modified the intensity of the lamp, and my effect, my rendering is changing. Okay, that's all for the moment. I hope it has been useful. See you soon with iLook.